Imagine waking up, not on Earth, but on the moon. Full moon. Outside your window, Earth hangs silently in the black sky. Beautiful, distant, and fragile. It sounds like science fiction, but according to scientists at NASA and other space agencies, building cities on the moon is no longer just a dream. It's a serious plan for the future of humanity. So what would really happen if humans built cities on the moon? Would it be our greatest achievement or our most dangerous mistake? Let's find out. Full Moon Part 1. Why the moon? The moon is only about 384,400 kilometers from Earth. Incredibly close in cosmic terms. Compared to Mars, the moon has huge advantages. Rocket short travel time, about 3 days. Satellite antenna, easy communication with Earth. Test tube, perfect testing ground for deep space living. That's why the Artemis program from NASA aims to return humans to the moon and eventually build a permanent presence there. But building a city on the moon is not as simple as planting a flag, because the moon is extremely hostile. Skull and Crossbones, Part 2. The brutal reality of the moon. Let's be honest, the moon is not a friendly place. If you stepped outside without protection, you would survive only seconds. Here's why. Viento que sopla no atmósfera. The moon has no breathable air, no oxygen, no wind, no weather. Every human would need fully sealed habitats. Radioactive, deadly radiation. On Earth, our magnetic field protects us. But the moon has almost zero natural protection. Astronauts on the surface are exposed to solar radiation, cosmic rays, solar flares. Over time, this could seriously damage human DNA. Thermometer, extreme temperatures. The moon's temperature swings are insane. Day, about plus 127 degrees Celsius. Night, about minus 173 degrees Celsius. That's a 300-degree difference. Any lunar city must survive these brutal extremes. Building construction Part 3. How moon cities might actually work. So how do scientists plan to solve these problems? The answer is fascinating. House underground cities. Instead of building on the surface, many experts propose underground lunar bases. Why underground? Because the moon's soil, called regolith, can act as natural shielding against radiation and micrometeorites. Future lunar cities may look like buried domes, lava tube habitats, 3D printed underground tunnels. Some researchers even believe ancient lava tubes on the moon could house entire cities. Robot face 3D printing with moon dust. Here's something incredible. Scientists are testing ways to 3D print buildings using moon soil. This means future robots could land on the moon, print habitats automatically, prepare cities before humans arrive. This would massively reduce cost and risk. Droplet finding water on the moon. Water is the key to survival. And the good news? Scientists have discovered water ice near the moon's south pole. This ice could be used for drinking water, oxygen production, rocket fuel. That's one big reason why future missions are targeting the lunar South Pole. Rocket Part 4. What life on the moon would feel like. Now imagine daily life in a moon city. It would feel very different from Earth. Low gravity life. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's. This means you could jump 6 times higher, carry heavy objects easily, experience long floating movements. Sounds fun, but there's a catch. Long-term low gravity may weaken bones, muscles, heart function. Scientists are still studying this risk. Milky Way, the sky would look unreal. On the moon, the sky is always black. Stars are visible even during daytime. Earth appears huge and beautiful. Imagine watching Earth rise every day from your city window. It would be breathtaking. Warning Part 5, the hidden dangers. Even with technology, lunar cities would face serious threats. Comet micrometeorites. Tiny space rocks constantly hit the moon. Without thick protection, they could puncture habitats. New moon dust problem. Lunar dust is extremely sharp and sticky. During Apollo missions, astronauts reported equipment damage, seal problems, health concerns. Future cities must solve the dust problem. The cost challenge. Building a moon city could cost hundreds of billions of dollars. The big question is, who will pay for it? Governments? Private companies? Or future space industries like asteroid mining? Crystal Ball Part 6. Could the moon become our second home? Many experts believe the moon could become a scientific base, a fuel station for Mars missions, a stepping stone to deep space. But a fully independent moon city? That's still uncertain. Human survival there will depend on solving radiation protection, long-term health effects, sustainable life support. We are closer than ever, but not quite ready yet. So, what if humans built cities on the moon? It could mark the beginning of humanity as a multi-planetary species. Or it could become one of the most difficult engineering challenges we've ever faced. One thing is certain, the next giant leap is coming. Full moon. If you enjoyed this journey through the future, subscribe to Mind&Universe for more mind-blowing space content. And tell me in the comments, back-end index pointing right, would you live in a city on the moon?